Yo, what's up guys? Long time no see. It's definitely been a while since I've last uploaded a video, and I can only apologise for that. This video, we've got a small modification for the car. Probably will be a short video, but let's get into it. I've decided to upgrade my rear view mirror. As you can see, I've brought a track mirror, as it's supposed to eliminate your rear blind spots. So hopefully we're going to install this and we'll be able to see everything from the back of the car just by looking in the rear view mirror. So let's have a look. So as you can see, just a standard rear view mirror. Just see the back seats and straight out the back window. You can't really see anything else apart from that. So hopefully once we install this, things will be a lot different. So let's have a look how you install it. Don't know if I mentioned this already, but got this from TGR Motorsport. Spoke to one of them there, and they seemed alright to be fair, so let's have a look. I don't know how I feel about it saying that like in the corner, but to be fair, it's not that noticeable. And I'm assuming the blue film is so like bright lights behind you don't like dazzle your eyes like your normal rear view mirror changes to. Alright, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's definitely bigger and it's curved. You can see quite a lot just like that. So how do you install it? It's that simple. You literally just push these down and then that'll clip onto the mirror. So let's get onto it. Okay, I did actually try to record me putting that onto the wing mirror, rear view, sorry, but it turns out I needed two hands to be able to do it. But as you can already see, just like as you're driving here, you look up and the brightness isn't great. That's better. And I can see at this mirror, at this window even, like looking from here. So it's definitely an improvement, but I think I've done it upside down. Okay, looking at this now, it's definitely upside down. There's a sliding part's meant to be on the top, and as you can see, I've got it on the bottom, which means, I'm sorry TGR, but I'm gonna have to take off your stickers here because you put them on the wrong side. Sorry. Alright, I've turned it around. Unfortunately, I've had to pull off the TGR stickers. Hopefully they won't mind too much. I can tell you it goes on a lot easier that way around. Basically, you just line the two top bits up, and then just pull the mirror down, and then these bottom bits here will literally just hook on to the old mirror. That simple. So yeah, hopefully when I'm driving now I can see a lot more. And it's supposed to be for track, but I don't know. I feel like day-to-day driving will be better use than track for that, to be honest, but I don't know. So yeah, that's how easy that is to install. What I've realised, and I feel like it would be a lot better if this wasn't a Corsa VXR and it didn't have Recaro seats, because looking at it now, I can see the headrest of this chair, and if that wasn't there, I'd be able to see out that window there, so then I can understand why it'll be good for track, because you can see out the back windows. But yeah, hopefully I do have a couple of other video ideas. This was just a small, simple video, so I hope you enjoy. Hopefully I'll make them other ideas soon. Thanks for watching. Peace.